हाँ यही you guys can see this is a solder gun. It is the same replica of this solder gun. This can be directly plugged into the socket and it uses like 220 volt and it is like 60 watt. But this one, it was portable and I got it from Temu as usual because cheap items, and yeah, I wanted to try that. But after getting that, it was useless, not working. I thought, I don't know why it is not working, but after getting the stuff out of that thing, you guys can see this is all it got. Oh, this is hard now. It was not working before, but now it is working because of these batteries. These are iPhone batteries. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 iPhone batteries, and it got more than enough power for this thing. So it is working now. See, it is green now. Before that, I was pressing this button and it was never green, but now it's working.